Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are cooking fish, treated by Jeremiah and this.
Not by me. Not by me.
No, he's included. He's
No.
going to help me.
Welcome back to his channel. This is a big fish, the catfish, a fish.
When this fish becomes big, the stomach becomes yellow. And this is junior size, so it's still white.
This white one is the pure single, and the yellow one is the taken one. We are very excited. We don't want to talk to girl anymore because of this fish. We are trying to cut a fish, okay, but we are not experienced. We are fresher, so we take so much time. But please excuse us and think about it and subscribe. My friend trying to cut a fish. What happened? What is between happening?
Why they want to have so much anda? Jadi asmani itu kamunya kain darah, kain darah.
We cut a fish. Galileo Galilei once said that we have to cut from 180 degrees, which means we have to see like this. Okay. And Albert Einstein once said, when you try to cook a fish, okay, make sure you know the position how to cut, like this. He wrote in a book called The Fish Theory. He said in the first law, thou shalt not lie. Which means, if you don't have a girl, don't pretend that you have a girl. Not related to this fish, but if it don't make sense, subscribe. Friend is going to cook now, so here's a good cook. When he cooks, the curry always tasty, even though there's or don't taste, no matter what. That's why so many girls are attracted to him cooking.
That's right, still single.
That's why.
Too many attractions, that's right.
But one thing you have to know is that once a girl falls in love with you, she will try to leave you. Hi, all these useful people are just waiting to eat. Well, me and my friend are preparing, busily consuming all our energy. These people are just sitting here and just waiting to eat. And this is the guy who buy the fish. And this is my friend, brother. She's my father, wife, daughter. We are going to start now the fish curry that we have prepared, a special Sunday dinner. It will be very tasty, I know. The salt might not be very salty, I know, because the one who cook is an expert. Only sometimes the curry is very salty, but I hope today is not salty. This is the one who cook, who prepared kits and everything. Hi. Please subscribe to his channel and find him a good. Don't find him. And last but not the least, subscribe to his channel.
Thank you for always
to his channel.
and
Subscribe and
always
share.
pushing my channel.
Yeah, and his face is becoming whiter and whiter.